How to fix a laptop keyboard not working properly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix your laptop keyboard not working properly. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, restart your laptop. This is a really simple step. All you have to do is restart your device. So you can simply open up your start here. There you'll find the power button. Tap on it. There you'll see the restart button. Tap on restart and then restart your device. This can help fix any temporary glitches that your device might have. So after that, if it still does not work, turn off your computer or a laptop and then unplug it if it's a computer, and use compressed air to remove dust or crumbs or anything that your keyboard might have underneath it. Then you'll need to check for your keyboard settings as well. So we'll just head over to our settings. You can do that by right-clicking on your start menu, then heading over to your settings. And after your settings opens up, you'll need to go to your time and language. Tap on time and language and head over to typing. Under there, you'll find advanced keyboard settings. Now from here, make sure that you have ensured the correct layout is selected and the filter keys are turned off. So there you can see language, input language hotkeys, language bar option and everything. Just make sure everything is at default. Then you will need to go to update Windows Update here. On your Windows Update, make sure that you've updated to the latest version. You can check for updates from here, and if there is an update available, update it. And after that, you need to go to your advanced options. Then head over to options updates. Then from here, find if your driver needs an update. So from here, you can check if your keyboard driver requires any update. If you do see your keyboard here, update, select it like this, and then tap on download and install. That will install your new driver update. And after that, you can also reinstall your driver. For that, right click on your start button again, head over to your device manager. On your device manager, you'll find the keyboard option. I'll let it load up. After you're here, you'll find your keyboards. Select this, head over to driver tab, and you can uninstall this driver and then install it back again. And after you've installed it, your problem should be fixed. If it's not fixed, you can test with an external keyboard. If an external USB keyboard works, the issue is likely on your laptop's internal hardware. So you can go to your repair shop and repair it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.